Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, it was a red day, but I will say that given the context, of a pretty good solid day, because, I mean, when you factor in that at one point, the price was literally all the way down here and then was able to fight back to where it has. Nice move. Now, of course, there's still a lot more work that needs to be done, but like I said, relatively speaking and considering just how bad things were at one point, good to see that the price made the recovery, and maybe this upwards bounce here is the start of something bigger. It very well may not be, but this is also why, in my opinion, the level that really is going to make a big difference moving forward is 58 cents. Why is 58 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to happen, but let's say the price comes down to 58, behaves in that manner, and then continues on down. What would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, all of a sudden, you'd have the price basically right back to where it was at those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why that initial level important. But also, to be fair, I mean, no price can just keep on going straight up. So maybe the price comes down. Whoops, let's try that again there. Yeah, comes down to this area. The difference being behaves in that manner and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress again being defined at that 58-cent mark. So keep a close eye on that. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to talk about. It's still all about that 65-cent level, which I've talked about several times in past videos on why that level is important. But overall, like I said, you got to give credit where credit's due. Very impressive bounce today. Now it's just a question of can the price start to build upon this bounce and momentum moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.